Good morning. This is Harshit, your tech host for today. Let's start this week with all that is new in this emerging tech world. From today onwards, IT Voice will bring two tech news bulletins, one in the morning and one in the evening. For the second year in a row, Kaspersky Endpoint Detection and Response (EDR) expert has earned the maximum possible points of the total accuracy rating in the Enterprise Advanced Security Test of EDR solutions conducted by SC Labs. The global endpoint detection and response market is still growing, expected to reach a global size of $7.1 billion by 2028. As the number of threats increase and attacks themselves become more sophisticated, it is important for companies to have reliable detection and response solutions to protect their business environment across all devices. EDB makes it easier for customers to accelerate their open source strategies with support for community Postgres, Kubernetes, and fully managed Postgres as a service enterprise DB. EDB, the leader in accelerating Postgres in the enterprise, announced an expanded partnership with Google Cloud, making EDB's key Postgres offerings available on Google Kubernetes Engine (GKE), fully managed database as a service (EDB Big Animal) on GKE Standard, and EDB Community 360 Postgres SQL on GKE Autopilot and GKE Standard are now available on Google Cloud. EDB is helping customers experience the power of the world's most popular database with world-class support from one of the industry's largest contributor to Postgres. Root Mobile Limited, a leading CPaaS company, has entered into an exclusive partnership with Vodafone Idea Limited to deploy and implement its suite of end-to-end A2P monetization solutions for all A2P SMS traffic on the VIL network, including erstwhile Vodafone and Idea networks. As part of this arrangement, Root Mobile will provide comprehensive A2P monetization solutions to VIL by deploying its artificial intelligence, machine learning driven analytical firewall solutions, an SMS hub on the VIL network, and aggregating international A2P SMS traffic on the VIL network. Rajdeep Kumar Gupta, Managing Director and Group CEO, Root Mobile, said, "I am delighted about this partnership." Arate, a leading global cyber risk management company, released Turning Tides, Navigating the Evolving World of Cybercrime. A report highlights trends and shifts in the cyber threat landscape observed by Arate in the first half of 2023. The report leverages data collected during Arate incident response engagements and explores the rise and fall of ransomware variants, trends in ransom demands and payments, industries targeted by ransomware attacks, and what may be coming next. The report highlights several key findings. In the initial 6 months of 2023, Logbit has surged to claim the leading position, constituting 30.3% of all ransomware incidents monitored by Arate. Notably, the professional services sector has emerged as the primary target, experiencing an uptick of nearly 12% since the latter half of 2022. Although there is a general upward trajectory in ransom demands by cybercriminals, Arate's data reveals that only 90% of cases during the first half of 2023 resulted in a ransom payment. D6, India's largest interconnection platform, proudly announces the appointment of Mr. Sudhir Kundar as the Chief Business Officer, effective 7 August 2023. This strategic move underscores Sudhir's exceptional journey within the organization over the past 4 years, marked by visionary leadership and transformative contributions that have propelled D6 India's growth and industry prominence. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. Sudhir Kundar, Chief Business Officer, D6 India, says, "It's a privilege to take on the role of Chief Business Officer at D6 India. As we step into a new phase, I am enthusiastic about leading our exceptional team towards further innovation and success. With a deep understanding of the dynamic telecommunications landscape, I look forward to shaping our future endeavors and reinforcing our industry leadership." Instagram's Threads is receiving new features according to a statement from Instagram head Adam Mosseri. Meta is introducing a repost feature within the following feed on chats to help users manage the increasing amount of shared content. Additionally, chats will have a new repost tab offering a consolidated view of all reposted posts. This feature aims to make discovering reposted content more convenient. Although these features are being rolled out, they are not yet available for all users on iOS and Android. These updates are part of Meta's efforts to enhance user engagement on the Threads platform, especially after a decline in monthly active users. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg also indicated that improved search and web clients are on the horizon. OnePlus recently rolled out the Oxygen OS 13.1.0.543 update for the OnePlus Nord 3, which brought various enhancements to the camera, battery, and network performance. Now the brand is introducing another update, Oxygen OS 13.1.0.561, which includes further improvements and the latest Android security patch. The new Oxygen OS version 13.1.0.561, identified by the firmware version CPH24911310.561, introduces the August 2023 Android security patch. Additionally, it brings enhancement to battery life, system stability, and overall performance. Next up, we have Motorola is preparing for the upcoming launch of the Moto G54 5G, the successor to the Moto G53 5G. This new smartphone is anticipated to have a global release, indicated by its various regional certifications. Leaked press renders of the Moto G54 have recently surfaced, revealing its design and features. Prominent tipster Ivan Blass shared these press renders showcasing the Moto G54 in 3 different colors. Although previous reports mentioned 4 color options, including Ballad Blue, Coronet Blue, Ambrosia, and Outer Space, it seems there might be an additional blue variant that has yet to be revealed. The design aligns with a previous leak depicting a square camera module on the rear and a side-mounted power button with an integrated fingerprint scanner. The front of the device displays a centered punch hole design. Thanks for tuning in. This is Harshit signing off. Subscribe to IT Voice for all things tech, from gadget reviews to industry insights and latest tech news.